Ever notice how we all casually ignore tiny problems? Like a small drip under the sink, or Earth's little cough getting louder. We think, someone else will deal with it. Or, my tiny action won't fix that. Then suddenly, bam! That tiny cough is a full-blown fever. That drip? A flood. Turns out, every tiny ignored problem, every small inaction, adds up to a huge problem for everyone. So next time you see a tiny problem, remember, the biggest changes start with the smallest, shared actions. Don't wait for the flood. Join the club and subscribe for more life insights.